Okay, for today's video, I'll show you how I make one of these stepped boxes or very small square vessels. I'll eventually put on a handle, but for today's video, I'll just show you how I forged this stepped box. So it starts out the same as if I'm making a small round vessel. I need to give a big shout out to my man Stephen Watkins for his recent generous donation to the channel. It's not an easy time for a great many people, so everything helps. Thanks a lot. Obviously, if you have a larger square hole to work from, you can upsize this quite a bit and it shouldn't be a problem. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple. So here's a couple of my latest coffee scoops. I'm enjoying making these small items so much that I listed these in my Etsy store. What you might use one of these square ones for could be left to your imagination. I'm working on a bunch of different whimsical designs. That's all for this one. Got a lot more fooling around to do.